Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the DBS app stuck on loading screen issue. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary glitches can cause the app to freeze on loading. Next, restart your phone to refresh system and clear background issues. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app and make sure the DBS Digibank App is updated to the latest version. Now if the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove any corrupted files. If it still does not work, go ahead and the issue may be due to server problems, so wait a while and try again later. That's how you fix the DBS app stuck on loading screen. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.